It's 94.7 Blair Radio, or nonprofit news, brought to us by RVR Bank. And we missed 1 week, but we get to have Three Rivers Public Health coming in again and looking to see as we transition into actual springtime. Maybe it'll stick this time.
Hopefully.
And a lot of things going on right here in Blair. You guys have been working hard. You have the office here. And it is Health Week, is that right?
Yes, so it's National Public Health Week.
Okay.
Which is really, we focus and celebrate on the public health contributions and highlight key health issues. I think, unfortunately, I think a lot of people don't really know what public health is.
Yeah.
And sometimes we in the public health field don't do a great job of explaining it or bringing it to the forefront. My kids still kind of wonder what I do at work. One of my middle one still thinks I'm a doctor, which is not true.
if you had to pay for it, that's one thing, right?
Right. So public health is the practice of promoting, protecting, and improving health of people and communities, and we do this primarily through prevention. So preventing illness and disease, injury, education, policy making, and then interventions to address health risks and promote overall well-being.
And then interpretation as well, because you never know when things are passed down from above.
Sure.
How does that affect us?
Right. Right. Communication is key. You know, another thing that we know to be true is a lot of people confuse public health with healthcare, with our healthcare system, and it is not the same. Again, public health focuses more on prevention, preventing people from getting sick or getting injured, where oftentimes, not always, but oftentimes, you know, our healthcare system is focusing on, you know, what's happening shortly after, the immediate care after someone is ill or is injured.
A lot of people don't go to the doctor until they actually have a reason to go. Right.
And really, you know, public health saves lives, but it also saves money. Research has showed that for every $1 that's spent on public health programming, it saves more than $5 in healthcare costs. So just kind of gives you a more tangible benefit. Another kind of area that we're focusing on during Public Health Week is, I think, even if people do hear about some public health programming that we do, they may feel like it's not for them. It doesn't involve them or benefit them. But in reality, you know, public health is for everyone. It focuses on health and wellness and protection for the entire community, whether it's big or small.
Well, like I'm sure coming up soon, it's going to be mosquito time. And you guys are into, you know, you help kind of track mosquitoes and the diseases they carry, things like that impact everybody in our area.
Yes. So there's so many different areas in public health. So environmental health would be one area, you know, where we trap mosquitoes and test them for, you know, illnesses that, you know, things that can cause illness in humans. We may go to a house and test for lead, lead that could cause illness among a child. Public health could include wellness programming, like, I don't know, an employee health program where you're counting your steps for a month. Health
preventative dental care and stuff like that.
Yep, for sure. So lots of different areas of public health. And so we just wanted to highlight that. We'll be doing a staff spotlight on our social media every day this week, just highlighting what, you know, some of our great staff that we have at Three Rivers and all that they do. Another exciting thing right now is our clinic, at our Blair location, is officially opening today.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that's a long time coming. You've been working towards this.
Yep. Yeah, close to a year. So we're located in that Vinton corner building on the lower level, and our clinic services are open Monday through Thursday, 8:30 to 4. Some of the things that we offer on a walk-in basis would be radon test kits, well water test kits, colon cancer kits, Narcan. We offer. We also are offering STI and HIV testing. A number of things that we would take by appointment would be, we have our vaccination for children program. We do have limited adult vaccinations, adult immunizations. We do TB testing. What am I forgetting here? car seat checks.
Oh,
So if you
yeah.
need help with your car seat,
Yeah.
give us a call and we can help you with that as well.
And so with that, you guys are gearing up for the springtime. So again, getting people aware of what you actually do. And that's a big task on its own because you guys do so many different things. It's hard to just qualify you into one area.
And, if you don't hear about us, it typically means we're doing a really great job, right?
Right.
So there's so much that happens that in our community and behind the scenes that the community doesn't see. But public health really is everywhere.
All right. Again, you can track and follow along on your Facebook page or social media. For example, Three Rivers Public Health, just search that.
Yes.
Whether it's on Facebook, Instagram. Or any of those, or the website, threeriverspublichealth.org.
Correct.
And be able to learn more about that. But again, now, big news is that the clinic is here and available here, so you don't have to travel to Fremont or be able to do get this some of the same services.
For sure.
And so, a lot of it, call ahead, see if you need an appointment for some of those things.
Some of it is call ahead, and some of it is on a walk-in basis. You can check our website. It also lists those services and which you need to make an appointment for.
Okay, so again, if nothing else, we need to go and have a kind of a grand opening. Make sure people are aware of that.
I think we are planning on doing that.
Okay, so we look forward to being a part of that. So again, Three Rivers Public Health, the Blair location, Vinton Corner, on the lower level. So if you go in that lower level by the car mural, it's right there.
Yep.
So great to have you guys a part of the community, looking out and being able to help on so many aspects. Again, it is one of those things that it's hard to be a specialty because you guys do so many different things.
We do.
So again, thank you for what you do. If you want to learn more, you can always contact them at the Blair location and then go to their website as well as Facebook. So again, look forward to spring and what all that brings.
I put away my shovels. The last time I put away my shovels, we got like 8 inches of snow. So hopefully I didn't jinx it.
So you put them away. And, if it snows again, we know who to blame. But again, so thank you again for coming in and keeping us informed with Three Rivers Public Health.
Okay, thank you.